I'll show you how to delete browsing history and cache from Firefox. If this video is helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Cache can be helpful because it allows you to load websites faster and it'll keep you signed in to certain websites. However, with new versions of the website coming out, the old saved cache can cause potential issues with the new versions. So to clear it, you want to go to these three lines in the top right corner and then go down to settings. In settings, you want to go to privacy and security and scroll down until you see clear browsing data. So click on that, and then now you can choose how far back you want to delete, from last hour to all time. And you can also choose what you want to delete. In this instance, we would want to delete browsing and download history, cookies and site data, temporary cached files and pages. And now you just press clear.